Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to a new episode of Cypher and Cypher's channel. Today what I have here is a Mattel Jurassic World Chaos Theory Guanglong from the Danger Pack. It came with a versus Lystrosaurus. So yep, I have this today because we're going to be talking about the Beast of the Mesozoic Guanglong Wu Kai. This is our very first Tyrannosaurus series. I usually just collect Ceratopsian series from Beast of the Mesozoic, but today we have the Guanglong. Okay guys, it's a posable figure. It's an adult collectible, ages 15 and up. Alright, so here we are, the back. Okay, we have, what is this, Dilong, Eutyrannus, Tyrannosaurus Rex. We have two T-Rex and a juvenile T-Rex again. Okay, so it has stats, features. Okay, so this is kind of hard to believe. Guanglong was one of the earliest known Tyrannosaurs. Okay, wow, 92 million years before T-Rex. Okay, all right, so we have here is a from Mattel. We're gonna compare it to it. Let's see their differences. Oh, let's check the DNA scan too. There you go. Nice. Mouth can be open. That's a yellow beak and a crest right there. Nice color. Feathery thigh, back, tail. Did I do it right? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so let's check this out. It is a brand new. I believe this is not a reissue, but the last Creative Beast Studios we had was a reissue. That's Zuniceratops. Alright, let's check this out. Oh, has no background on the back, or is there? Okay, so it comes with also with a card. There you go. That's a goodie right there. It's a double seal. Wow, they double sealed it. Nice. My goodness. What's going on here? I want it to pop out. Okay, did they tape it? Take it out. Oh my gosh, I see. Because of this. There you go. Okay. Looks like there's extra feet right there. Really tiny. I don't know where the other one went. It flew out. What is this? Like a wishbone. Okay, it comes with a stand. Wow, look at that, huh? So let's check it out. Let's make it stand. What is this? Okay, let's put the tail. Let's put on the tail. So looks like the tail is a little different. Alright, not this one's again. These things are so hard to put it in. Okay. Okay, it's really hard to put it in. But the legs are so skinny compared to Mattel's leg. Look at that. Look at her feet. Wait, it's kind of dark. Look at her feet. How tiny that is compared to Mattel's. Now let's compare the crest. Okay. Look at it, huh? There you go. Okay, the head is still narrower. Feathery arms, perfect. Look at their thigh. The calf is so tiny for this guy. Now the tail looks like a Pyroraptor's tail. Look at that compared to, okay, I don't know where. Oh, here's the stand. How do you make this thing work? Okay, let's put it right there. Okay, that works. Does it go like that? Okay. Alright, I got it in. There's an air blower there. Okay, nice. You can see the claws are really sharp as well. Not definitely not for little children. Really sharp, guys. Now the teeth, it's kind of disappointing. It's really, really small. Look at that compared to, at least Mattel did good here. See that? You can see some teeth over there. I don't know what happened to Creative Bee Studio here, but their claws really good though. But the feet are so tiny, I don't think it can stand by itself. That's why they had this one, so it can stand, you know. So let's try to put it in. How does this work? Do you shove it in there? Goodness. Alright, it went in. I think it's about to break. Hopefully not. Okay. So that's how you do it. Let's stand right there. Is that it? Yeah. Pretty much like that. Okay, but I'm not gonna take off the legs because it's so tiny, might lose them. But we'll just do it this way. So there you have it, guys. Our Guanglong for today. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Alright, guys, we'll see you in the next video. You know what the next video is, right? Alright, guys, you guys have a good weekend. We will see you Tuesday or Wednesday. Thanks again. Ciao.